Among the facts I want to place here before Sanju comes in, viewers, please note it is not one minister. The minister accepts it was money.
Money doesn't belong
He
to
says
the
yes,
minister.
it was
That's
money.
the only fact.
And he also says
the real fact.
it wasn't just one minister. He also says that there were many ministers from Karnataka there. Now my question is, why are many ministers from Karnataka in Telangana? And why is there so much cash around them?
So, Arnab, it is
Simple
a free
question.
country, Arnab.
People understand.
It is a free country. Anybody can travel anywhere. It's a free country.
So it's free for me to ask the question as well.
Country, Arnab.
Sanju.
Anybody can travel
But
anywhere.
elections are there in Telangana.
I mean,
Telangana
you come
Congress
anywhere.
leaders are going to Karnataka.
I mean, why you were
You know,
there in
this has to be
Bangalore
a
the other day.
same
Karnataka,
debate.
they
It
follow
can't be a
that.
shouting match.
They are collecting
Or a piece.
commission there.
Okay, viewers. We are letting in Sanju into the debate. Debate is on.
Thank you.
And Niranjan
Thank
will
you.
join in with some more inputs in a bit. Yes.
Thank you. You know, Arnab, on a lighter note, you know, Tanveer is a very well-read guy. On a lighter note, when he was with the, JDS, I thought Tanveer mein thoda zamir hai. But ever since he started behaving like the unofficial Congress spokesperson, I've realized Tanveer और zamir mein koi connection ही नहीं
Yeah,
hai.
well
Anyway. But on a more serious note,
I am
I
not
will
a
just,
Congress
Tanveer, please.
spokesman. I will never be one.
Tanveer, can I please? I did not heckle you. You will have your chance to take your digs at me, and I would welcome that. I'm not running away anywhere. Anyway, now very quickly, first and foremost, the man who's at the center of the entire controversy, and first and foremost, a big congratulations to Republic in Karnataka for doing this job of unearthing this cash scam, Niranjan and team. I want to first say, you know, there's this famous saying, Arnab, the apple does not fall far from the tree. People on your channel, your audience, and Niranjan will appreciate this more than anyone else. As we speak in the Raichur Lokayukta, there are 61 cases filed against the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, whose son Priyank Kharge is the Rural Development Minister of Karnataka. Mallikarjun Kharge has a 500 crore complex at Bannerghatta. He has 300 acres of coffee plantation land in Chikmagaluru. He has 20 acres plus of land in Bellary, and he has malls and houses and residential complexes in Sadashiv Nagar, RT Nagar, and near the MS Ramaiah College. I'm giving you details. Now let us take the case of DK Shivakumar. DK Shivakumar, while filing his affidavit prior to the Karnataka assembly elections in 2023, was asked, how is it that between 2018 and 2023, your assets have risen by 68%? Because DK Shivakumar reported assets of 1,413 crore. And he said, mere property prices बढ़ गए, mere shares और investments के दाम बढ़ गए, and blah blah. But the IT department found that even after all that he was saying, assuming property prices surged, assuming his stock market investment surged, that still does not explain his asset and net worth of more than 1,400 crore. Point number 3, forget everything else. I remember, and I've said this, but at the cost of sounding cliched and repetitive, when K. Ishwarappa, the Panchayati Raj Minister, was indicted by Santosh Patil in his suicide note that K. Ishwarappa was asking for bribes, the BJP, before conducting an investigation, asked K. Ishwarappa to step down as the Panchayati Raj Minister. Those allegations against Ishwarappa were proven to be false, but we took the moral high ground. I just want to ask one question to Rahul Gandhi, to Siddaramaiah, and to DK Shivakumar, the trio. D. Kempana, and Niranjan can verify this. D. Kempana is the head of the Karnataka Contractors Association. He has named 4 people. He says these are the 4 people who are saying unless you give us 15% commissions, the outstanding dues to the Karnataka Contractors Association will not be paid. The 4 people he has named are A. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar. B, let me finish. B, let me finish. B, can I please finish? I'm just giving the 4 names. Arnab, can I give the 4 names? Can I give the 4 names? Thank you, Abbas. Can I give the 4 names? Arnab, I wanted to give the 4 names. This is not fair. Look how these guys are getting...
1 minute. Gentlemen, Syed Aslam, I'll come to you. Syed Abbas, I'll come to you. Syed Abbas, I'll come to you. It's only 27. We have time. But I just want to tell you that let us all speak. And just one moment, please. Just one moment. Let Syed Abbas speak. Ravi and Syed Abbas, let her complete. You can disagree with her. There is an ongoing discussion on the levels of corruption in the newly elected Karnataka Congress government. We have a right to discuss this. Let her complete, please, and then you can come in.
अभी तो आपकी पोल अभी मैंने तो आपकी पोल खोलना चालू किया है अभी तो आपकी पोल खोलना चालू किया है Fine, let this man talk because Arnab refuses.
That's all right.
Can I name the 4 people? Can I name the 4 people?
Can I allow her to complete, please?
It's a
Who is this man who's talking trash?
Let me tell you. And DK
अरे भाई साहब आप हो कौन? आप अभी तो मेरी पोल खोलनी चालू की है
Ravi, Sanju, please. Ravi, could you just for a minute? Ravi, allow me. We stay with this window. Ravi, allow me a minute of indulgence, please. Wait for a while.